What's up, everybody? Welcome to my three and me. Uh-huh. Today we have Zaxby's. Y'all, I wanted some Wingstop, but Wingstop opened up at 11, and I have to be at work, and that's just too far away because I still gotta cook it and everything. So that was gonna be too late. So we have Zaxby's because it's close to the job. So, to Lord Jesus, thank you for this food that we have received for the nourishment in my bodies. For Christ's sake, amen. Okay. Yeah, so we're going to get this in because a sister got to go to work here in a few minutes. And Zaxby's opened up at 10 o'clock. It's a long day. I got 11 hours to go. What y'all got going today? I don't. They sure don't got a lot of sauce on my stuff. Today we have, like I say, Zaxby's. We got wings and things. So we got, it's basically the same thing. Okay. Bones, look at this. This ain't even got sauce on it all the way. I won't complain. No more. But yeah. Yes, how are y'all doing? How are y'all? I was going to get a salad. Because I really, now, if y'all ain't never had Zaxby salad, y'all know what y'all missing. My food with Zaxby's on that salad. Yes, honey. I food with Zaxby's on that salad. I don't really like the Zax sauce. I think I like it a little. I don't know. It's been so long since I had this, y'all. Well, happy day to you guys. Happy day, happy day, happy day. Yeah. Today, like I said, I ain't got nothing to too much talk about. I just wanted to come eat with y'all. Just come eat with y'all. We got a long day. This is today is Saturday. I should be able to post this today. If not today, it'll be tomorrow. Y'all ain't never had from these restaurants the freestyle fountain. If you have, get the Minute Maid mixed berry. Woo! I used to be all about the little Fanta peach, y'all. I still like it. But honey, that mixed berry go hard. Hard. So, what y'all think about the Little Mermaid? I want to say congratulations to Haley. Okay. My kids, my oldest daughter started listening to them a long time ago on YouTube, okay? That's when YouTube was strictly, you know what I'm saying, you need to find a hairstyle. I mean, how to put weave in some kind of way, hairstyle, and music. That's all I went on YouTube for, okay? Was music. And look at this. It ain't even no sauce in the bottom. But been listening to them. They are so, they can sing. You hear me? So I think it's Chloe and Haley. Chloe is the oldest one. Haley is the baby. They're like a year or two apart. Okay, but yes, they can sing to me. Everybody mad and upset. It's a cartoon, people. It's a cartoon. What y'all mad for? They want to say, you know, if it was the black one and we turned to white, then you guys would be mad. Honestly, I don't know how I would feel. I'm just being honest, y'all. Just being honest. I don't know. Because somebody was like, if they made Tiana white in the remake, you know, everybody's thing is, why would they do that? Because you already got white princesses, you know? Yeah. I don't know, it's a remake. I mean, look at Aladdin. Aladdin got, they did Cinderella. Brandy did it, you know? Aladdin, the genie, Will Smith played him. Just, I don't know, just different stuff, you know? Like, why can't you just accept the actor or the actress for their, I don't know, for their acting ability? Why do it gotta be, why do it gotta be, oh, they gotta stay white? Or they gotta stay black, you know? Ariel is a young girl who sings. And Haley can sing her butt off. She's perfect for the role. Really pretty. And who knows, they might even make they might make Sebastian still white. Or Indian. Or Mexican. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Maybe they're just getting actors or actors and actresses on their ability. Not necessarily. Yeah, let me ask you. I just got the shower. For their ability, not because of their color. You know what I'm saying? So, but to be honest, the only thing I keep seeing bad about it is folks who keep saying that folks is having a problem. I ain't really seeing nobody have a problem. So, only on the post when people say somebody got a problem, then you know you got them ignorant ones who gotta be contrary. Who gotta be contrary all the time. Yeah. But besides that, but besides that, I haven't. Not really. I haven't. So, my kids gonna see this and be like, "You had Zaxby." Hey, Terry. And I'm gonna say, "Hey, come on, how are you?" That baby. Her mama sent me a message, y'all, and I feel bad. I told her I was gonna do something for her, a seafood bowl, and give her some. Kamaya is under the age of 11 because she's not the same age as Taryn. I don't believe so. And I love her. I love her because I love you, girl. Miss Melina is going to do a video. Seafood. I'm going to get it ready. And I'm going to come and get you. Because I don't want you to think that I'm not going to. The last one, my daughter is the one who bought the stuff and had me to cook it so we can eat. And since I ate it, I'm going to do a video. I'm going to do a video, okay? And then the one before that one, I was just supposed to have been going live, but I couldn't get the live to work. I didn't have it set up, and I didn't know. So my food was getting cold, and I was getting frustrated, so we just made it a video. That one wasn't supposed to be a video either. But my next one, I got you, hon bun, okay? I got you. I don't want you to ever think that I'm going to lie to you. I am. I'm going to do it. So, yeah, so we will be doing that. And I'm going to have you sitting right next to me. And we're going to do the video together, okay? Because I don't want you to think Miss Melina is lying to you, okay? So I apologize for that it hasn't happened yet. I apologize. And if I was thinking, I probably could have invited you the other day with Ranger. I'm sure she wouldn't have mind. Yeah, so it'll be okay. We're gonna make it happen, okay, girl? Whew. I'm getting full, y'all. Okay. Where's she at? It's time. It's almost time to go, girl. Yeah, so that was my spiel on area. Y'all, please be careful who y'all leave your kids with. Tell your kids, grandkids, cousins. Be careful. You know what I'm saying? All these babies. All these babies. We got one, the 11, 18-month-old baby. That went missing. My friend was telling me, I ain't really just too much seen it. Something about the auntie had him, put him to bed, and then the baby ended up. Oh, I knew I was gonna waste it on my shirt. And not only did I waste it, but it tossed and turned on my shirt. Now I gotta go to work with barbecue sauce on my shirt. Ugh. I knew better, y'all. Barbecue sauce on my shirt. Just cannot believe it. Taran, you better not be saying that's what you get. Because I know you are. Because I know you. But, yeah. So the auntie put the baby to bed. Somehow or another, the auntie went to work. Went to bed, too. She said she put the baby to bed around 10. 9 or 10. And then she woke up that morning to get the baby out the bed, and he was gone. If I'm not mistaken, they just found the baby. Yeah, I think they just found the baby. Like, okay. Something like the baby got taken out of the mama's custody and given to the auntie. TPS took the baby. And you know how they want to stick the baby with family first. The auntie got him. I don't know how long she had him. And then put the baby in bed. Put the baby in the bed. Woke up in the morning, the baby was gone. And it just found him. So, you know, some stuff went down with Malia. It's just all these kids. You know what I'm saying? Like, just watch your kids. Watch over your kids. Watch who you have your kids with. Even if, I want you to know, even if your kids do get taken away, you gotta say so on what family members they go to. Like, if you say, I mean, I had this one. I'm through. Some of y'all probably like, you ain't through. Well, you ate that much? Yes. Woo. Look, see, look at that. Go to work with my shirt dirty. But yeah, just be careful. My God, all these kids. Facebook, every time you turn around, this missing kid, this missing kid, this missing kid. Have you seen, I was on my Facebook this morning, and it's 1 week, so, you know, we're in Arkansas. So we have a city named Benton. A young lady just went missing in Benton. Like, big kids, you know, you want to think, oh, they just ran away. Sometimes they don't just run away. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes they really go missing. Okay. Sometimes they really just go missing, you know? But yeah. But I'm finna get up out of here, y'all, because I got to go to work. Thank you so much for watching this video. Tell me what you thought about Ariel being black or white or not white or whatever. Give me your thoughts on that. Tell me what you thought of the food. Hopefully I shared enough with you guys. yeah. But yes, if you haven't already, please give this video a like, thumbs up. If you haven't, subscribe to this channel. We would love to have you. You guys, we are at 171. I thank God for all 171 of you. I pray we can get 1,071 more of you. I'll be reaching it and claiming it. But yes, leave me a comment, like this video, subscribe to my channel. I'm not gonna beg you, but just take a look, watch a couple of videos. Please make sure you like them all when you watch them. You know what I'm saying? Just check out a couple of videos. Check us out. Just check us out. You can go to the very first one, and it'll tell you about all of us. My very first one was a seafood boil. It had some of everything in there, so that was a really big one. So yes, we would love to have you be a part of our family. I would love to grow. I would love to make this YouTube thing a big old, not only a network thing, but a love and family thing. We all get together and meet one another. Talk amongst yourselves in the comments. You know, get to know one another. Like other people's videos. You know, channel shout outs today. I want to do a walk in the fat woman's shoes. I want you to check out Miss Diversity 3. I think I've said her before. Check out, what is the new lady? I can see her. She has a really beautiful smile. Her edit game is off the chain. She got a big old swoop bang with a ponytail. Oh no, lady. I see your whole channel. I see your video. I can't see the name. I hate the fact I'm bad with names, y'all. What is it? Okay, I'm gonna get you in the next video, okay? Cause I got to look you up. Check out D2D. We ain't mentioned them in a while. They're growing over there. Check out, I told you about Ketalicious. I told you about Big Family, Big Noise. Miss Newton's. I can't really think of no one else. Check out Bougie Palettes. I really like her. For all you bougie people, you will love her. She eats really dainty. She gets in it. She gets it. She get it in. But it's cute because she eats, you know, really prim and proper. I like her. Yeah, anybody else? Check out my boy Lips, Living Life in Positive Serenity. I know I done mentioned him before, but I truly like him too. I like his videos. But yeah, but on that note, I want to say thank you once again. Have an awesome day. Go out and be loved today. In the words of LMJ Ministries, go out and be loved. Touch somebody. Be somebody's love today. Somebody could be having a bad day and look at you and can feel it oozing through your pores. Have joy. Let that joy shine. Be the light today. So you got two things you can be today. You can be love and you can be the light. So in the words, I like Lips things. I'm not gonna say it because that's his outro. Check him out. Listen to the end. Get that message. So yes, I love you guys. Have an awesome and amazing day today. And until the next video, bye y'all.